Let's show you how to use your Tagg Verve Connect. Charge. Align the magnetic pins to the back of the watch and charge till the battery icon shows full charge. Then long press the side button to turn on the watch. Download the Tagg Plus app on your smartphone. Scan the QR code given in the packaging when you receive your Verve Connect. iOS users can also download the app directly from the App Store, and Android users can download the app directly from the Play Store. How to connect your Tagg Plus application. To connect your Verve Connect, you will be prompted to turn on the Bluetooth on your smartphone when you launch the app. Tap the Add Device notch. Press Allow Always on Permission when prompted. Then tap Verve Connect to connect on your mobile device to connect the watch. How to enable Bluetooth calling on your Verve Connect. Living up to its name, Tagg Verve Connect comes with Bluetooth calling, allowing you to take or make calls on the go without having to take your phones out of your pockets. Follow these steps to enable Bluetooth calling on your watch. Step 1. Tap the phone icon in the smartwatch menu. Step 2. Tap Switch On to enable Bluetooth calling feature. Step 3. Open your phone's Bluetooth settings. Now search for available Bluetooth devices and select Verve Connect in the list of available devices. Step 4. Tap Verve Connect to connect the smartwatch with your mobile device. Now Bluetooth calling is enabled in your smartwatch. Please make sure that your smartwatch is connected with Tagg Plus application. Step 5. You can also sync the contacts from the phone's address book through the app on your Verve Connect for ease of access. Features. Your Verve Connect comes with great features like daily status tracker, heart rate monitor, blood oxygen tracker, Bluetooth calling, music control, sports mode and more. App walkthrough. Download the app and fill in your personal information to log in. When you select the status page, you can check your calories burned, distance traveled, activity time, measurements from the previous workout, heart rate and sleep tracker. Select Workout. Tap the plus icon to select from the multiple sports mode your Tagg Verve Connect has to offer. Tap Go to start your measurement. Tap the device icon at the bottom of the screen in the app to access the in-app control of the watch. Access options like Add Device, Watch Faces, Sedentary Reminders, Water Drinking Alert and more. Tap the profile icon at the bottom of the screen in the app to access your profile, changing the unit settings, logging out of the app and more. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more.